Welcome to the Nuclear Power Institute series of Science in the Kitchen, Cooking Up Curiosity. Delivered by our NPI team members, we explore the science, production, automation, distribution, and workforce behind the Texas food industry, using the kitchen and cooking as alternative platforms to convey STEM knowledge and information. Each cooking episode peppers science factoids throughout the demonstration, and each in the field episode unearths the STEM before food enters the kitchen. So, the next time you're in some type of field or in some sort of kitchen, we hope we've cooked up your curiosity to discover the science while you're there.
Hi, this is Dr. Valerie Segovia. I'm with the Nuclear Power Institute at Texas A&M University, and today it's all about science in the kitchen, cooking up curiosity. Have you ever wondered the difference between Texas farm-raised shrimp and Texas wild shrimp? I'm here today with Carl Phillip, the plant manager of Power Seafood. So can you tell us a little bit about what we're going to see today?
Yes, we're processing farm-raised shrimp today and a little bit of Gulf shrimp. We're processing several different ways. We're packing some head-on shrimp today, and we're doing some easy peel. We pack different styles for different customers, and we'll be showing you all that process today.
Such exciting news, and this is a really valuable part of our series, because not only are we going to highlight the food that will be demonstrated in the kitchen, but also the science behind it. Not only the science, but we take it even further through their automation and development into the workforce, and also into production, seafood production here in Texas.